Hello everyone, today we will compare Empower and Rocket Money, two popular personal finance apps in the world. Empower is a robust financial management app that provides personalized financial recommendation, automated savings, and budgeting tools, while Rocket Money, on the other hand, offers powerful tools for canceling unwanted subscription, negotiating lower bills, and providing insight into your spending to save you more money. So in this comparison, we'll dive deep into their features, pricing, customer and support, pros and cons, and at the end of the video, I help you choose which one is the best for you. So make sure you watch till the end because I have created a presentation that will help you easily make an informed decision to choose the correct option. And if you want to sign up for Empower or Rocket Money, you can use my affiliate links in the description below where I will earn a small commission at no additional cost to you. And you might also get rewards and discounts upon signing up. So without any further ado, let's get started. So now let's go directly to the features comparison. So when it comes to cash advance, Empower you can cash advance up to $250 with zero interest and no late fees, while Rocket Money does not have any cash advance feature. When it comes to card, Empower offers cards and you can earn up to 10% cashback on selective purchase, while Rocket Money doesn't have any Empower cards. And when it comes to auto save, so Empower has automated savings with weekly goals. So they have that, while Rocket Money also have automated savings based on the habits. And when it comes to budgeting, Empower has customizable budget categories with real-time alerts, while Rocket Money has budget tracker with automatic monitoring and spending trackers. And when it comes to smart recommendation, Empower has proactive recommendation for earning more and saving, while Rocket Money has spending insights for better financial decision. When it comes to credit score monitoring, Empower has it available in their app, while Rocket Money has credit report and network tracking available in only paid version. So if you have paid version, you have it. And when it comes to subscription management, Empower does not specify this feature on their platform. While Rocket Money has, they have subscription management, they identifies and tracks subscription with concierge service of cancellation. And when it comes to bill negotiation, Empower again does not specify this feature on their platform, while Rocket Money has bill negotiation service. Then they charge up to 30% to 60% of annual savings. And yes, that's it for the features comparison. So now let's go to the pricing comparison. And when it comes to free trial, Empower offers 14-day free trial on their platform, while Rocket Money has 7-day free trial on their platform. When it comes to monthly subscription, Empower offers their subscription $8 per month after the trial, while Rocket Money offers them to $6 to $12 per month or pay what you wish starting at $3 per month. So it's quite customizable. And when it comes to annual subscription, Empower does not specify this annual subscription, while Rocket Money offers 47.99 to 59.99 per year or 48 to $60 per year if billed annually. So they have that. And yes, that's it for the pricing comparison. So this is quite simple. And now let's go directly to the customer and support. And when it comes to phone support, Empower has they have it. They're available with some users reporting only issues. And when it comes to Rocket Money, not available but support is provided digitally. And when it comes to email support, as you can see, it's not specified, but I know they have email support in their platform. You can just look it up. And Rocket Money is available through support at rocketmoney.com. So you can email them there. And when it comes to chat support, again, Empower does not specify, but you can, I know they have it in their website, while Rocket Money has chat support available on the Rocket Money app itself. And when it comes to support hours, Empower does not specify their support hours, while Rocket Money is available on Monday through Friday, 9 a.m. to 8 p.m. EST. So now that's it for the key features, pricing, and customer support comparison. Now let's talk about the pros and cons, and let's start with Empower pros and cons. So when it comes to pros, Empower offers a wealth management plan with a custom strategy. And they also provides advanced money with management tools. They includes a retirement planner and free personalized investment advice. They features a high yield cash amount with no fees, and lastly, they gives cash advance with no interest or fees. So that's it for the pros. So when it comes to cons, Empower charge a highly monthly fee of $8, which might be a lot for people without significant savings, and only 3 ATM reimbursement per month. So that's bad. And they offers a low API, 0.05%, especially for a digital only app. And lastly, they lacks mobile check deposit or cash deposit. So yes, that's it for the Empower pros and cons. So now let's go directly to the Rocket Money pros and cons. And when it comes to pros, they allows you to connect all your bank accounts, credit cards, and investment accounts for an overview of your finances. And they offers a budget tracker that can help you a better understand and control your spending. They use bank level encryption to keep your private data safe. And lastly, they provides a bill negotiation feature, which most platform doesn't have. So it's very important. And when it comes to cons, so Rocket Money, the free plan has limited features, which is sad, and the customer support availability is limited, quite limited, and they charge at least 30% up to 60% of the annual savings it negotiates of your bill, which you have to pay up front as a lump sum. And lastly, some features require a premium subscription, which require $3 per month, so you have to pay. So yes, that's it for the Rocket Money and Empower pros and cons. So now let's talk about which platform best fits for you. And let's start that by discussing who should choose Empower. So Empower is referable for someone who have $100,000 or more to invest and want access to personalized investment strategies. So it's preferable for someone who are looking for a high yield cash account with competitive rates, someone who wants a comprehensive view of their finances, including budgeting, retirement planning, and net worth tracking. And lastly, someone who prefer a platform that offers a wide range of advisory services and financial tools. So if you have all of this quality, Empower is the best platform for you. So now let's talk about who should choose Rocket Money. So Rocket Money is referable for someone who prioritize a budgeting app that helps reduce and spending and manage day-to-day finances, someone who needs help with bill negotiation and want to ensure they're not overpaying for services, someone who are looking for an affordable premium subscription with useful features like concierge services or premium chat support, and last but not the least, someone who want a simple or user-friendly platform to create and maintain a budget. So if you have all of this quality, Rocket Money is the best fit for you. So yes, that's it. So in conclusion, both platforms, Empower and Rocket Money, offers a unique features that cater to different financial needs. Empower stands out with its investment advice and high-yield cash accounts, making it ideal for those with significant savings looking to grow their wealth. On the other hand, Rocket Money shines with its budgeting tools and bill negotiation services, perfect for individuals aiming to streamline their expenses and saving money. So remember, the right choice depends on your personal financial goals and which features align best with your lifestyle. Take the time to evaluate both options and consider how each can empower you to take control of your finances. So without being said, the comparison is over, and I hope this comparison helps you to choose the correct option for you. And that's it for today's video. See you in the next one.